What are you saying? Elliot? Elliot? Goodness. You want to take a nap with Donovan? Does that sound good? Sleep sounds good, huh? Yeah. We like sleep. Is there a yawn in there? You look pretty busy. I don't know. We'll see if this nap thing works out. You have a long to-do list today? Flail, eat, poop, flail again, say some stuff. We'll see if you get through your whole list today, okay? Check everything off as you go. Say signing off. No, you're too shy.